In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your YouTube channel to Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Tools tab is selected. Then, in the Tools setting, click on the Data Manager option. Now, in the Data Manager settings, look under the Connected Products if there is a YouTube channel that Google Ads suggests. If you have a YouTube channel associated with your Google Ads account, Google Ads will automatically identify and suggest connecting it. If you want to link your YouTube channel associated with a different account, I'll show you in a while. Now, click on the Review and Connect button. Then click Connect. You can see that it has successfully been connected. Now, let's see the second method. Go to YouTube Studio of your channel, click Settings in the bottom, click the Channel tab, then Advanced Settings, then scroll down and click on the linked account. Then enter the name and customer ID of your Google Ads. You'll see your customer ID in the top right corner. It's 3, and 4-digit numbers separated by hyphens. Click Done. Then Save. Now go to your Google Ads again and refresh it. You'll see a request to confirm linking your YouTube account to your Google Ads account. Go ahead and approve it. Your YouTube channel is now connected to Google Ads, allowing you to promote videos and track performance. And that's it. That's how you connect your YouTube channel to Google Ads. Thanks for watching.